GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting. GoLogin is a platform that enables users to manage multiple browser profiles.
You are not there, right?
Yeah, give me a minute, bro. Give me a minute.
Yeah.
Okay, can you hear me, bro?
Yes, but your audio is low.
Okay, now?
Yes, it is very clear.
Okay, okay. Now, we were right here. Why it's not loading now? You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Oh, the 1 minute is not loading. Why is that? Give me 1 second. Okay, I'll just go to the 3 minute and show it to you because it's not clear. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now can you see the chart?
Yes.
Okay. So there was a clear order block right here.
Yes.
I showed it to you on the 1 minute. Okay.
Yes.
And now would they give it to us that easily? No, right? They would
Yeah.
not.
Yes.
This will be an inducement, right?
Yes.
This will be an inducement. And then
Yes.
what do we have right here? Imbalance. Imbalance and a POI. You see that?
Yes.
So then I know that even though this trap has been taken out, it did not
Yes.
really feel the imbalance. So then I'm buying. I'm buying from here.
Yes.
I'm buying from here. Stop loss below this low. What would my target be? This high. Okay?
Yes. Yeah.
This high. And then now it went straight into my POI. Okay? You see that?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
I'm selling. I'm selling because why? I know that was a trap. Okay? So now I'm
Yes.
selling. And then I told you about the Asian range. The Asian range is is the guide for intraday traders. Okay, that's the guide for intraday traders to where the most amount of liquidities. You see,
Yes.
I told you this Asian highs and lows will be taken out. Okay, so now my first target would be the Asian low. Okay, the
Okay.
Asian low,
Yes.
and since price is fractal, I told you from this low we broke structure right here. Now we know that for an uptrend, price has to go up and then come back down into a discount price and then go higher. We know that, right?
Yes.
So now we know that this was our new low and now this is our new high. Now we once a breakout structure happens, I told you, we look for discount and premium prices. See that? From this
Yes.
low to this high. And then we know that anything below this would be a good point of interest for us. But we do not look at
Yes.
this because why? This was inside of the Asian range.
Yes.
Asian low. Okay. And then price came back down, took out the Asian lows. Okay, it took out the Asian lows, and I even had a buy position here. Okay, like if you on the 1 minute, I would have shown it to you. Let's try once again. I don't know why it's not loading today. I think that's it. That's
It was loading.
yeah, it was loading earlier. Now it's not. Okay, so now on the 1 minute. Okay, now imagine this is the 1 minute. Okay,
Yes. Okay.
price went higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then it broke structure right here.
Yes.
Right here it broke structure.
Yes.
Okay, and then price came back down like this. I was monitoring price action throughout this whole day. Okay, price came
Okay.
back down like this, and then
Yes.
I saw this happen. It started creating this trend line like thing. You see that? Now people would wait for the third touch of this trend line, right? This thing right here. You
Yes.
see that? Now I told
Yes.
you, price is fractal and so is liquidity. Liquidity is fractal too. Okay.
Yes.
So now I know that these people will be taken out for sure. For sure, these people will be taken out. Because why? The next thing is time and price. Now we are inside of the London kill zone. Okay. I
Okay.
hope you have heard of it, the London kill
Yes.
zone and stuff.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now we're
Like what
inside
time
of
it
the
is? If
London
you
kill
can
zone.
tell me the specific time. Like I
Yeah. For
consider
us,
London. I consider
yeah.
it
For
from
us,
11:30 to
our time.
like.
Yeah, exactly. 11:30 is where the London kill zone opens, and
Yes.
12:30 is when the London session opens, and
Yes.
from 4:30 is when the New York kill zone opens, and then 5:30 p.m. is when the New York session opens. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now, once this happens, you see this trend line like thing forming right here.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. I'll draw a horizontal line. Um, I'll draw a horizontal line from here because I know this low will be taken out for sure. Okay. I'll go to the left, and then there was a 1 minute order block right here. Okay. I can't show it to you, I'm sorry. There's a 1 minute order block right here, the 50%. Okay, because the trend line came in, the trend line came and it mitigated this thing right here.
Yes.
Okay, that was the opening of the trend. So what's on the 50%? Another order block, right? I told you.
Yes.
So then that was my entry. Because why? The liquidity was there. This was the inducement. This was the inducement. And then
Yeah.
I bought. I bought. And then stop loss below this low. Now, where was my next target? Okay, now since price broke structure like this, you see, price broke structure right
Yeah.
here.
Yes.
Okay, now we
Yes.
have a new range from this high to this low. Then we look
Yes.
for discount and premium prices. Okay, now we know that anything above this would be a good area for us to sell from because it's
Yes.
a premium price. And then on the 1 minute, there was this very clear order block right here. It was very clear right here. This you see
Okay.
this week on
Yes.
the one
Yes.
minute, this was a very clear order block, and I saw, and even on this, I'm on a lot of smart money channels. Okay, I saw
Yeah.
many people looking at this order block, so I knew this will be taken out for sure. Okay, I knew that, and then
Okay. Yeah.
this was the inducement, and then which means now for the buy, this would be my target. Okay, this
Yeah.
would be my target, and then on the 30 second, on the 30-second time frame, there was this order block right here, just above the 30-second order block. I'm sorry, on the 1 minute order block. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
and then once again I sold. I sold from here
So you
to
consider the
where?
order block
Targeting
which is
this.
closest to the inducement, even if it
Yeah,
is in a
closest
lower
to the
time
inducement.
frame.
Yeah, even if it's a once on the 30-second time frame, I'll still take that. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay, and then I'm sorry. This was my target because why? We're in a downtrend. We're in a downtrend. So in a downtrend, we always target the lower lows. Okay, we always
Yes.
target the lower lows.
Yeah.
And now I know that on this range from this low to this high, we are in a discounted price. See that? We are in a
Yes.
discounted price. Okay. So now on the 1 minute, okay, on the 1 minute, now you see this is a very clear order block, right? This is a very clear order block, and even it even got induced. But why do I not
Yes.
trust it? Even many people would have looked at this, right?
Yes.
Many people would have looked at this. So what I do is I don't do what they do. I look for this. It was just below this thing. Okay, on the 1 minute, it was an order block right here. and then we have this inducement, right? We have this inducement. You see that?
Yes.
You need to pay attention to the tiniest. I hope you understood what I told you so far.
I understood a lot of things, but there are still confusions. Like if I
Okay,
were
let's pick
there,
that up.
I would have taken
Okay,
that order block which you mentioned.
this thing right here. This thing.
Yes, because
Yeah. But
I
you see
was
how far down it came. Spreads would have
yes,
taken you out for sure. Okay.
yes,
Now I told you. So have you heard of this FU canal? Okay,
yes,
NZ would have taught you that. Okay. So what like how you can like view a FU canal is that it has to get engulfed. Okay, like they do not teach you this, not NZ or anyone teaches you this. Okay, can you hear me?
yes, yes. I can hear you.
Yeah. What an FU canal basically means is that there will be a cell, and
Yes.
then the next candles. Now this is very important. Okay, this is how you trade before a break of structure. Okay, this is how you trade
Okay.
before a break of structure. Now, now imagine I'm talking about a bullish FU candle. Okay, now
Okay.
price will come back down, and
Hmm.
then the next candle has to engulf it. You see how this got engulfed? You know what an engulfing candle means, is right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Now you see this candle engulfed the previous bearish candle. Okay. Now if it
Yes.
gets
So like
engulfed by
it only needs
one
to
candle, what is it?
it only needs to engulf the body or both the body
Ah, yeah,
and the
only
way.
the body, only the body.
Okay.
Okay, only the body. Now say this is a candle. So now one candle, if one candle engulfs it like this, okay, if only one candle engulfs it, okay, if it was just one candle that engulfed it, now this is a very strong FU candle. Okay,
Okay.
now this is
Yeah.
a very strong FU candle. If if it does this, if two candles engulf it like this, it's still an FU candle. Okay, because it has got engulfed. Okay,
Okay.
hope it's clear. And now if there's three candles that engulf it, something like this, if there's three candles that engulf it like this, it's still an FU candle. Okay, this is still an FU candle. Okay, so now
Okay.
have you heard of this pattern? Stop hunt, breakout structure, return to origin, RTO. You have heard of it, right? That's the confirmation entry that Phantom teaches. Okay, it has to do this and then breakout structure.
Yeah.
You enter right here. That's the confirmation entry,
Yes.
right? That's the
Yes.
confirmation entry. So have you seen that price now? Most probably it does not return to origin like that. You've
Yes.
seen that, right? It just goes.
Yes.
It just goes. It'll do something like that and it'll go. But
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you how to trade, how to take the trade from right here before price comes back down. Okay, you
Okay.
can take it right here. So that is based on the FU candle. Okay, so now on the 1 minute, there was a FU candle right here that got formed. Okay, so
Okay.
I told you how. Now I told you how to determine a FU candle, right? Now I told you. So you see, something like this formed on the 1 minute time frame. It price pushed down and then went back higher,
Yes.
engulfed. Okay, so what I do is I do not wait for break of structures. I just trade the reaction. Okay, once this get engulfed, I do this. Once it get engulfed, I'll do this. That's it. So once it
Okay.
get engulfed, okay, once it get engulfed, so the next candle will most probably come and feel that imbalance, and then boom, it goes higher. You understand that? That's how we trade
Yes.
before a break of structure. Okay, so
Okay.
on the 1 minute that happened. So what I did was I did this. So it was around here. Okay, it was around here, and then now I know that on the lower time frame, this was my range from this low to this high. Okay,
Yeah.
that
Yes. I hope you are not speaking anything right now. Are you still there?
GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting. GoLogin is a platform that enables users to manage multiple browser profiles. GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting. GoLogin is a platform that enables users to manage multiple browser profiles.